How to upload videos on Vimeo. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to upload videos on Vimeo. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So just head over to vimeo.com and then from in there just sign up or log in if you already have an account. Once you have done that, you should be able to see here the upload from computer, import, and all of this right here. You can just click on this right here if you want to upload an existing video. Another thing you can do is click on this new video and click on upload right here. So let's click that, and then from in there this will direct us to the vimeo.com/upload/videos. So if you want to skip the first part, you can just head over to this URL right here first hand. So in the screen you will be able to see this, so you can just drag and drop videos. You can also click on this choose files. So for me, I'll just choose this file right here, click on open, and then from in there this will be able to upload to Vimeo right here. So as you can see, I will be able to manage it as this will direct me to vimeo.com manage videos. So let's just wait for this right here to load. As you can see, it has loaded right here. I can actually edit that, add in captions or everything. You can also allow downloads, and once I've downloaded everything, just click on publish right here and publish in here to social in order to publish that specific video that we uploaded. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to upload video in Vimeo. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks!